I have a Jura Espresso machine that's leaking water. If you've had one for about 5 years, chances are it's probably already leaked or it's going to. I'm going to show you that there's a certain part that 95% of the time is the failure, and I'm not going to show you exactly how to take the machine apart because this part goes on like 18 different models. So depending on the model is going to depend on how you take it apart. It's not that hard to do. You're going to have to remove your side panels, the rear panel. You're only talking about maybe 8 screws. Some of them are a little hidden, but you're going to want to get it apart, and then I'm going to bring the camera in up close and show you the part that's probably leaking. Alright, so if you're looking at the front of your machine, the part is going to be on the right side. So as long as you get this right side panel off, and normally there's only 2 screws holding these side panels on. And then they're just kind of held in place with these tabs, so they'll just pull out from the back. Now here is the pump, and I already have this loose because this right here is the part that usually leaks. This is a membrane regulator. And this kind of aluminum kind of piece is pressed onto this plastic piece, and it usually will burst or it will start to break somewhere along this edge or this edge. And you'll notice water coming out from the bottom of your espresso machine. So it's not very hard to change. There's no screws that hold this in place. You're going to loosen your pump by pushing in on the bottom side right here. This is all that holds the pump in, are these little rubber kind of carriers. And then your membrane regulator screws into the end of this pump. And then you have a water line that's coming out of the top of it like that. So there's not that much to it. Now you might be kind of intimidated by taking your $1,000 espresso machine apart, but it's not that hard. If you can at least get this side panel off and then run a cycle, like a rinse cycle, or brew maybe 1 shot, and that way you can see where you might have a leak. But 90% of the time it is this membrane regulator, and these run about $30 to $40 online. And you're to change this out for your first time, not knowing what you're doing, you're looking at probably 25 minutes start to finish. So I'm just gonna screw this back together, attach my water line, and then I'll show you what that looks like, and then this is going to be done. Alright, so that's what the membrane looks like assembled. So you can see here's your pump, and it's threaded right on the end. You've got your one water line right here, and you have a little clip that holds that water line in place. And the only thing holding the pump in place are these rubber carriers, and you just kind of pull these back on both sides and your pump will come out. You can rotate it out and then unscrew your membrane. But if your Jura is leaking, that's 90% of the reason why. That is one of the more frequent replacement parts for these machines. And like I said, I didn't want to go through the total disassembly of my side panels because this part goes on, I think I counted 18 different machines. There could be more. But it runs about $30 to $40. Plan on about 25 minutes and get your machine back up and running. If you do have to send your machine off, you're looking at about $250 to $300 to have that done for shipping both ways and the replacement part. Hopefully this video helped you guys out, and I thank you for watching.